Today we're here at Penmark Place near Rhys, Barry, Glamorgan, and we've been running an event on producing beef carcasses for today's market, and also asking is this a spec that will be required in the future. So following a presentation from Leighton Jones at St Meryn, who told us why they have reduced their carcass weight to 400 kilos to satisfy consumer requirements. We followed that with a talk from David Hendy, who is the independent nutritionist that does the rations for the cattle at Penmark Place. And then we had John Richards from HCC, who gave us some figures on the beef market situation, and also told us about the Carcass Traits EBD project in conjunction with AHDB. It's been a very productive afternoon because it has helped beef finishers to decide and understand why the processors need lighter carcasses for the reasons that Leighton Jones has outlined. And it's very pleasing that today Julian Radcliffe here at Penmark Place, who buys his suckler calves from Brecon and Cynhyrchu marts, invited those suckler producers to the meeting as well, to see how the whole supply chain can actually work to improve the product that they deliver within spec.
The message I've been asked to give today is regarding why, as a processor, we are asking for carcasses to be at lighter weights. The main points of my presentation were around price, time and health. Consumers are very price sensitive, so therefore we need to reduce the price of each packet to compete with the other proteins, pork and chicken. This means a lighter packet. Consumers are very time sensitive in terms of they haven't got the time to be cooking the larger joints, the larger steaks. So therefore we're looking for smaller single meal options, 20-minute meal, a 25-minute meal that suits today's consumer. And the other thing that consumers are very concerned about are the health risks that are being imposed around red meat, with government recommended guidelines being that 70 grams of red meat per day should be part of your diet. So therefore we're trying to reduce the weight of meat in packets to try and coincide with these guidelines to help consumers feel that they're able to buy red meat on a regular basis. All of these 3 points together all point towards smaller, lighter carcasses to fit the consumer's demands and hopefully sell more red meat and keep consumers buying red meat.